Hey guys, let's make our watermelon lip gloss. Oh, and did I mention that this lip gloss is not made from a base? Let's get right into it. So I'm adding my oils here, and I've always wanted to keep things as natural as possible. Everything that I make, I try to make it as natural as possible, and that's why I wanted to make a lip gloss without a base and still has that gloss and that nourishment that, well, not all regular lip glosses give you nourishment, but just so that it has the nourishment and that gloss. So here I am, guys, after everything is melted together. Now, because I had to stir until they started to get some thickness, but I couldn't stir that long, so I got this bowl of lukewarm water and I started to stir and stir and stir and stir. But then I was stirring a little bit too long and it got a little thick on me. So here I am adding our fragrance and our vitamin E with our coloring and some little sprinkles, some little sparkling for our watermelon. Here I am trying to combine everything. It's a little bit lighter than what's shown on camera, but look at that consistency. Doesn't it look just like a lip gloss with a base? But anyways, guys, this is another mistake that I made here. I tried to, I filled the bottles because I've never used this small bottle before. So I filled them all the way up to the rim. Well, that little line at the top. But I didn't need to put that much in. I didn't need to put that much in. But look how gorgeous that looks. Look at the thickness. It's not even coming out of the container. So I'm just putting in the stoppers here. And this is where I see my mistake. If you can see it right there, it's just like oozing at the top. It's just oozing. And here I am just trying to get that out. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just to show you the consistency. Because this is just a beautiful lip gloss. It sits on the lips. It is moisturizing. Guys, you need to try this. Look at the consistency of that. Look at that. It's thick, soft, and nourishing all in one. And not to mention the taste. So that one was mine, guys. So I just put them aside. After I got to take out some, I had to take it out so that the stopper could go on and the one could fit in the container because it was too much. This is how much I got from the container. All right, guys. So now let's try. Look at that gloss. Look at that shine. And that's just one little dip. I just took the wand out, swipe, and look at that gloss. And I was like, oh my God, this tastes so good. So here, guys, what I had left in a container, I melted that down. And look how much is in that squeezy tube from what I took out from the containers. And just to show you that it also fits in a squeezy tube. Look at that. I just love this. It looks exactly like it was made from a base, but it's twice as nourishing. Find this and other flavors on my website, diansbathandbody.square.site, and they're gonna be available starting October 30th, 2023.